Beti mwega Kanyari. We are deeply touched. Tumeguzwa sana. Because Betty Bayo is one person who I met in Simba Center back in the year 2009. And it ended up that everyone who has met or intermingled with Betty Bayo, she became a family member automatically. She knew how to intertwine herself with your life. And when I was called by Ben Gedai, he told me, Betty Niatutiga. I remember I was traveling tomorrow constituency in the barrio of Mofams, my church patron's grandmother. And I told him, Gedai ni digoka. Leke jore joe Betty. Because to many, the sickness was a surprise. Gedai told me, I told him, let it come and represent me. But I don't want to see Betty on her deathbed. I remember, and these are the words many people can echo, that Betty Bayo was not a sound of discouragement. Many people in the music industry have sounds of discouragement. Because I remember when I was sent to pastor AIPCA Gatondo Church, when I requested many of them to come and encourage me, I gave Matiokire. But Betty Bayo, I remember that time they came, Betty Bayo, Rachel Jerry, and the late Rizwanyoike. They came and saw the church that I'll be pastoring without a fence, without a toilet. We were only I and Mofam in that church. Betty Bayo told me, this is what God has called you for. I and Betty Bayo are victims of social bullying. Praise the name of the Lord. Before God uses you in public, He will break you in private. I remember Hedeo niguoni na Githae na Betty twageragira ruo. Ona ni mateithirie Githae na Betty matia ndeithirie. Tondu nie ndari admin wa Kilimani Moms. Na di Matioi ndari na Swido. Riu Githae kirwo kuona mahatha make ngimuruta. Betty agikirwo kuona kanyari wake ngimuruta. Nie ndire mundu wa ndutaga. But I thank Betty encouraged us. And our life scenarios, I and Betty's life has been almost the same. But I want to encourage the family and Tash. Tash, I know Kanyari is a man. We are very serious when it comes to our children. We are very serious. But I know Tash na nego kwera ciugo ici na Gikuyu. Mundu uri uthiaga maguru agiteithia mundu ina ngari kumithondeka ni ari mwihoko ati ndeguthi maguru ringi. Mwina muthuri uyu munyitane. Beti mwega Kanyari. Mwega. No ahano tani ni tuhoreragio ni Ngai. Muthuri uyu ti muru. And I know muturire wa Sky na muturire wa Dani. Riria haha Bishop Wanderi aga akaya tondu ni ahoya akaya. Oiga ciana ici itikanage gya kuria. Ndeka mathabu if at all mami andigire njigano. Ndamuthaitha tondu ciana ni ciiragirwo ni turiukaga kumurora, and especially ne ithuo tukite guku. Mheshimiwa wa Mumbi kuma Mathira na ateti aria angi othe me guku amaito wa county. Wa muratho tore tuthomithagiria ciana JCM. No ukahe basari ndire yaga. Ciana ici cina baba wao na ni mutongu. Ngai ni amurathimete githe tiguo. Kana Kanyari ni muthini. Eti mutongu. Mena baba ongi mutongu. Na gutire munyakata mundu gukorwo ena aciari eri. Ateru ciana icio ni iranyitirirwo mwena ona mwena uyu. Rekei kiria turona thiini wa Sky githie o togu etagwo tumuonage kuria iguru. Reke Dani uyu turona ahane ta Danieli wa maandiko ndakaniririo kanua gake ni miruthi no rugari wanyu niguo guteithia ciana ici. Ciro nie ni njui muhutie muno. I know maundu maria mwaneka na Beti na mundu uria ukirite haria ugwitwo Jane Muthoni. Andu amegaragaragia gwakwa mari aritu makindira njogo ciakwa ciothe. Thabari ya andu aya ndikoretwo ĩ huthu. Aya kwaja Jane we haria na nginya mwana ndarekire nyone aciarĩire mũrimo ũrĩa. Ngwenda gũkwĩra Ciro twerwo kĩndũ kĩega mũno nĩ kũrĩ mũrata Ngai akũheaga ta kĩheo. Tara Beti nĩ kĩheo kĩega ti kũra kĩora. Mũndũ wakwa thĩinĩ wa Mwathani nĩ atuĩkaga guardian angel. O toguo ahoirwo atuĩke maitho ma andũ acio mathiaga. Beti arotuĩka maitho maku. We all know the bond and the relationship. Ni ndikwenda gukiria hau tondu nie ni njui ithuothe ni turacakaya. Bishop Wanderi ndi haria nguhoyaga Ngai kure andu amatikainuke tondu muini wa muthungutho angikua ainagirwo ndumo nginya gugakia. Riu ithu ahonoki muini uratuinagira turenda kuganira uhoro tuinuke. Na korwo ni muini wa ndaci riu ni ngita cingiragetwo mamuinire nginya gukie. Riu inyue murenda guthie murenda kura Ngai okorwo ni wendi waku rehe mbura tutanainuka.
Thank you Bishop Ben. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Askofu wote kwa heshima na